Yeah, so today, 28th June 2025, this on work today, basically four cars, one of them mine, three other people, uh, vehicles. Actually, two is remaining. You can see them here, 47406. Oh, that one is V646 manual, the black one, while the 47 is, let me show you guys very well. BW7A manual. So the other one I did was BW10J4 manual 406 as well. And mine ST. Because you guys must have seen the video I posted where I did the installation of electric fan from 508 to the vehicle. So let me start with the one that I've left, the EW10J4 manual 406. That one has a hard start issue intermittently, not all the time. So it showed the map sensor was bad, intermittently faulty, and then the engine piece sensor came up as well. But so I changed the connector of the engine piece sensor, then this so that the two wires that go to the sensor before I tape them, and also change the map sensor with used one. So the 420 will hopefully it says that way. Now the black 47 V6 behind, which you can see behind me, 46 V6 I meant, which is behind me. That one came with two issues. One of them is the ABS wheel sensor, the one on the right side, front right side was faulty. So purchase new one, change it, that one the fault is gone. The second fault was upstream oxygen sensor, the front cylinder or front catalytic converter was showing permanent fault. So got a used one, changed it, I've done the test, started the vehicle, it's reading normal just like the rear wheel, so the fault didn't come back. Hopefully they stay that way. So that one is sorted, the ABS wheel sensor sorted as well. Now the other 407, the 407 I meant, the fault is still there, will continue. I will post a video on that separately, so you guys will understand. It has a severe issue, both electrically and mechanically. I can't say mechanically for sure, we still need to confirm something we need to do, but all that I will do a separate video on that. So so these some of these things you have to stop doing tests and try and error to diagnose vehicles, because some of these issues, um, sometimes there are somebody you could give and they will create more problems trying to diagnose and fix these things. So have this car properly diagnosed and you enjoy your Peugeot cars. They are not troublesome, but people, I don't know, based on their choices, they end up regretting or having issues with their modern Peugeot cars. Alright, so that's for today. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you want me to be repairing your car, if you live in Abuja, you have to contact me via WhatsApp, chat, non call. I'll send you my terms and conditions. If you accept, then we'll start from there. Alright, so subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.